In front of me is VIVO V50 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then click on Users and Accounts and tap on Google over here. Now select Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password to input all of those informations. At the top you can input any website. Click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then input your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!